is the Phoenix Super LPG.
Beautiful screen there by Perkins for Matthew Wright, and the Canadian connection right there. As Wright able to drill that three-pointer.
It looks like it's gonna be one of those days para dito kay
Wins for the Hot Shots. Aranya flipping that up. 4 points for the veteran here in the first quarter.
Parang na-miss na natin yung mga magagandang mga crafty plays ditong si Kaya ang ganda rin na yung mga starters ni Coach Galoy, di ba? As we see a baseline J coming from the Sultan of SWAT. Ito, 5 blocks nung nakaraang laro niya. Para sa Phoenix, dahil talagang siya ang kanilang main rim protector. Ganda naman ang cut. Finishing with the offhand, Bo Belga.
Twinkle toes, Bo Belga on that drive. Still nothing from the Beast. Ooh! Jua over to Matt. Oh, beautiful. Parang na tumigil lahat sa depensa. Lahat nakatingin kay Rice.
Ang ganda actually ng pasensya. Justin Chua has the 3-point shot naman. He had a wide open look to the basket. Pero sige,
Alvin, kailangan tumira. Libre si Chua. Pasok na naman.
Ganda naman ng ang ganda ng disiplina na naman. Yung pasensya nila sa opensa to beat a team na nagtatrentang assist.
Tala naman, Rain or Shine is the worst at 15.9. Bo Belga getting that shot.
And kanina pa yon over Jason Perkins with a nice entry pass going to him. A very welcome sight dahil Perkins 30 puntos. Rest of the team 10.
12 na daw, sabi ni Galvin.
12 na.
Habol kami. Sabi ni Beast.
Si Beast, kahit hindi grabe yung kanyang point production, it's just nice to have him on the floor. From both sides of the floor.
And Ponferrada has made an impact in this ball game. Meron na siyang 9 puntos. Ng Fuel Masters dito.
Interesting.
Bumitin ang ginawa ng paraan ni Heruela to stop the drought for the Fuel Masters.
So I think that's the first time na binibilak down kung naipasok yon.
Ganda naman ang atake ni Heruela. At nabigyan ng 2 puntos si Jansen Rios. Of Phoenix has plummeted to 38%. And a 3-pointer on the other end for JV Mocon makes it a first double-digit advantage for the Elastopainers. At dito na magkakaalaman kung sino ang magta-twice to beat at kung sino ang twice to beat disadvantage. Ponferrada able to score on the first basket here in the fourth. Was trapped. Nakay Chua. Nakay Abueva, who will go all the way.
But this is still a one-possession ball game for Arthur. 12 seconds remaining. Lots of time para sa bucket para dito sa Rain or Shine.
Breakdown on defense by Rain or Shine. Not sure if they were trying to go for a foul there, but it led to this Chua assist to Abueva. Got all the way inside for Abueva's 6th and 7th point. Nowhere to go. Nakay Abueva, inangat, wala yan. Nakay Perkins. Jason will finish!
Was he shouting and one? What a bucket para dito kay Jason Perkins. Grabe mga aksyon dun sa may ilalim ng rim. Despite that, getting a nice basket is Jason Perkins. Miss ito galing kay Calvin Abueva. Perkins not stopping. Picks it on.